Every older ride owner knows the feeling. Dull paint, scratched console, no CarPlay, boring interior. Every one of those in this video? Fixed. This is GEARHOUND, I'm Marcus. I dig through hundreds of car gadgets every week, and only the ones that actually earn their spot make it here. Today's lineup: 19 finds that'll upgrade your ride without burning your wallet, from dashboard tech to detailing gear to road trip essentials. Links in the description if you want to grab any. Hit subscribe, let's get into it. Ever glance at your passenger seat and cringe? Coffee stains dried into the fabric, cracker crumbs wedged into every crack, dog hair like a museum exhibit? Yeah, that's every driver, all week long. Out of every car vacuum I scanned this month, this one kept climbing back to the top. Meet the 22,000 PA handheld cordless vacuum. 4-in-1 design, USB-C fast charge, washable HEPA filter, 10-piece nozzle set for every seat crack, cup holder, and dashboard vent. Grab it, point it, watch the mess vanish. Same tool works on the car, the couch, and your keyboard. Real talk, this one earned its spot. Cheaper than a detailing appointment. Louder than your regrets. Ever driven a mountain road at 2 a.m., low beams barely reaching, every shadow making your pulse jump? Bad lighting isn't inconvenient, it's dangerous. Most off-road lights in this space are noise. This one isn't. Meet the NOVSIGHT 3-inch Halo series. 96 watts of raw output. Amber and white DRL modes. Red Dot Design Award. 2025 winner. That's not a marketing sticker. That's engineering respect. Wiring harness included. Protective covers included. Mount them. Wire them. Flip the switch. That dark trail just got embarrassed. If someone tells you 96 watts is overkill, they've clearly never driven a fire road at midnight. Ever climb into your car at night and feel like it's a rental? Gray plastic. Dead vibe. Nothing pulls you in. Most cabin lighting kits are cheap RGB with 3 settings. This isn't that. This is a 16 million color LED strip with a built-in music sync mic and full remote control. Peel the backing. Route the strip. Plug the 12-volt lead, done in 10 minutes. Now the cabin breathes with your baseline. Real talk, this is the cheapest way to make a boring interior feel dialed in. And yeah, your passengers will notice. Ever wanted to see your friend's face when they open the back door and something's already sitting there? Yeah, this one made the cut for a reason. Meet the BEDARP Scary Headrest covers. High-resolution ghost face print. Machine washable polyester, elastic bands that stretch onto any headrest. Slip them on, wait for the reaction. Film it, post it, watch it hit 1 million views. Costs less than a movie ticket. Delivers more laughs than most comedy specials. October's coming, you already know what to do with these. Ever tossed your shades on the passenger seat, taken a corner, and heard them slide onto the floor? Every driver has. Every driver hates it. Most sunglass clips are flimsy plastic that snap in a month. This one isn't. Meet the JOYROOM magnetic sunglasses holder. Clips onto any visor. Magnetic grip that holds through potholes. Universal fit works on Jeeps, sedans, trucks. Snap it on. Drop your shades in. Grab them in one motion. Costs less than a coffee run. Solves a problem you've had since you got your license. This is the why didn't I buy this sooner gadget of the year. Ever get in an old ride and remember it has no CarPlay, no Android Auto, no backup camera, just a busted stock radio from 2007? A full dealer upgrade costs thousands. This one hits under a fraction of that. Meet the Volam 11-inch wireless screen. Wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Netflix and YouTube app support built in, backup camera included, GPS navigation baked in. Peel your old head unit, mount this, plug it in. 20 minutes, your 2010 ride now feels like a 2026 model. Most gadgets in this space are noise. This one earned its spot the honest way. It solves a real problem for real money. Ever pack a cooler for a road trip, and by hour 3 the ice is melted, the drinks are lukewarm, and the sandwiches are floating? Yeah, ice coolers are lying to you. This one doesn't lie. Meet the TaskStar 12-volt portable fridge. 26-quart capacity, real compressor cooling. Adjustable from -4 up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Dual 4.0 Ah batteries that keep it cold when the engine's off. 12-volt, 24-volt DC, or 100 to 240-volt AC, plug it anywhere, load it, cool it, forget the ice run forever. Camping, tailgates, cross-country hauls, this one's the freedom card in the trunk. Ever driven a 6-hour trip with kids in the back and asked yourself around hour 2, why did I do this to myself? You need a survival tool. This is it. Meet the Lamicall Headrest tablet holder. Aluminum arm, not the flimsy plastic that shakes every bump. 360-degree rotation. Fits screens from 4.7 to 13 inches, so an iPad Pro, a Galaxy Tab, a phone all work. 9,000 plus reviews backing it. Clamp it to the headrest. Load the tablet. Silence in the back. This one didn't earn its spot from marketing. It earned it from 10,000 tired parents. Ever plug your phone into that fraying car cable for the 10th time, watching it drop the connection every pothole? Every driver's done that dance. Every driver's tired of it. Meet the ULiiZOMIR magnetic wireless charger. 15 watts of fast charging, 360-degree adjustable head, 120-pound vacuum grip that stays locked to your dashboard through anything. iPhone, Android, MagSafe or magnetic ring both work. Slap it on, snap the phone, drive. Charging happens without you thinking about it. This one made the cut because it does one job and does it without complaint. Ever pulled over on the side of a highway with a soft tire, no gas station in sight, and realized you have no way to inflate anything? That's the I should have prepared for this moment. This kills that moment forever. Meet the AchansFam Mini 9 electric pump. 150 psi of pressure. Digital pressure display so you set the exact number. Built-in safety stoplight. Works on bikes, motorcycles, cars, and even sports balls. Pocket-sized, barely bigger than a phone. Set the target PSI. Hit go, walk away. It auto-stops when it hits your number. Some gadgets are luxuries. This one's a seatbelt for your tire pressure. Quick question for the pack, drop it in the comments. Would you rather spend 20 bucks on something that gets the job done for a year, or 200 on something built to last a decade? No, wrong answer. I want to know which camp you're in. Ever eat a burger balanced on your knee in a parking lot, dropping ketchup on your jeans while trying to answer a work email? That's real life for half the workforce now. This solves it. Meet the Guaiblue 2-in-1 steering wheel desk, carbon fiber finish. Folds flat when you're driving. Adjustable hooks fit almost every steering wheel. Doubles as a center console organizer. Flip it up. Lay your laptop across. Eat, type, sign, paperwork, all without the mess. Delivery drivers, remote workers, road warriors, this one's for you. And yeah, it costs less than the burger you just spilled. Ever reach for your phone at a red light and it's fallen into that void between the seat and the console? That black hole between the driver's seat and the shifter, every driver has lost something in it. Meet the Luckybay seat side organizer. 3 compartments, 2 mesh pockets, and a zippered pocket. Adjustable strap installs in seconds without tools. 600D water-resistant Oxford fabric that survives spills, kids, and life. Strap it on. Drop your phone in. Drop the wallet, the drink, the sunglasses, all within reach. Costs less than the phone case you'd need after it fell. Ever open the back door after a school run and see fruit snack wrappers, juice boxes, and a lone crayon staring at you? That mess is your Monday morning ambush. This ends it. Meet the 4-in-1 Backseat Organizer. Multiple cup holders. Multi-compartment pocket layout. Universal fit for almost any vehicle. Strap it to the back of your front seat. Load the snacks, the tablets, the wipes. The kids can reach everything without asking you 70 times. Real talk parents will feel this one in their souls. And no, the crayon still won't be your friend. Ever pull into the tailgate lot on game day and want your ride to say what jersey you're wearing before anyone sees you? That's what this does. Meet the Sporticulture Alabama Crimson Tide Door Light. Officially NCAA licensed logo projector. Battery powered, no wiring, no drilling. Universal vehicle fit. Peel the backing, stick it under the door. Open the door, the Crimson Tide logo hits the ground like you own the parking lot. This one earned its spot because official licensing hits different. Cheap knockoffs look like a phone flashlight. This one looks like the real deal. Almost through the lineup, save your strongest reaction for the final pick. That one's the standout of the whole video, trust me. Ever driven with a baby in the back, glanced in the mirror, and seen the sun blasting them right in the face? That's not just uncomfortable, that's why parents get white-knuckle stressed on summer drives. This kills it. Meet the AUGOLA side window sunshade, breathable mesh fabric, UV protection built in, universal fit that slips on without adhesive. 2-pack, roll it on, adjust it, the baby sleeps, the camping crew stays cool. The window can still open. That's the detail knockoffs miss. Not flashy, just the kind of quiet upgrade that saves your Sunday drive. Ever step into your car after a hot lunch and get hit by yesterday's fast food smell? Cabin air gets stale fast. Cheap air fresheners just cover it up. This actually cleans it up. Meet the FeatWell Aromatherapy Diffuser. Essential oil diffuser plus a humidifier in one compact unit. No hanging plastic tree, no fake pine punch. Add your oil, plug it in. The cabin gets a real spa, feel clean, fresh, quiet. This one earned its spot because it doesn't mask smells, it replaces the whole vibe. Costs less than a week of car washes, lasts a lot longer. Ever look down at your F-150 console after a couple hard years and see the plastic scuffed, the finish worn, the whole thing looking tired? That console lives through everything. It deserves better. This is built for that. Meet the Ford F-150 console cover. One-piece molded fit designed specifically for 2021 through 2024 F-150s, plus the Lightning XLT Pro 2022 to 2025. No glue, no adhesive residue, just a precision fit. Place it, press it down, done. The console looks new again. This one earned its spot because vehicle-specific parts either fit perfectly or they don't. This one does. Ever hit a car meet with clean paint and dirty wheels and watched everyone notice the wheels first? Nothing tanks a fresh detail faster than brake dust-caked rims. Most wheel brushes are stiff bristles that scratch the barrel. This one isn't. Meet the oesee Wheel Cleaning Kit. Flag tip scratch-free brush, flexible woolly for tight spokes, dedicated wheel mitt, everything you need in one kit. Spray your cleaner, work the flag tip through the spokes, woolly the barrel, mitt the face. Wheels go from brake dust brown back to factory finish. This one earned its spot for a reason. Clean wheels move a whole car up 2 tiers. Ever look at your daily driver in bright sunlight and see the swirls, the water spots, the dull haze that no wash can fix? That paint remembers every touchless wash, every scratchy towel. Real correction takes real tools. Meet the Maxshine M21 Pro Polisher, 1,000 watts of power, 21mm long throw orbital, 6-inch backing plate. Comes with a 16-ounce all-in-one polish, no extra purchase, no guesswork on chemistry. Apply the polish, set your speed, work in slow overlapping passes. That matte, tired paint turns to mirror glass again. Out of everything I scanned in this whole car lineup, this one keeps climbing back to the top. Not the cheapest pick on the list, but the only one that literally transforms your paint. Real talk, this is the finale. Everything else on this video makes your ride better. This one makes it look brand new. That's the lineup. 19 finds, every one of them earned its spot the honest way. Drop the number of your favorite pick in the comments. My personal pick from this lineup is #9 the Maxshine Polisher because it doesn't just upgrade the ride, it transforms the paint. Hit subscribe if you want the smartest car finds every week, and check the description for links to grab any of these on Amazon. I'm Marcus, this is GearHound, see you in the next one.